ladies, this is Karen with Curl House, and guess what we're going to talk about today? What to do with your hair at night. So this is how I look when I go to bed. I have on a satin bonnet. So even though I have sister locks now, I wear my bonnet even with my sister locks, and I really wore it to protect my hair at night when my hair was loose and natural. So if you are someone who wears a lot of out styles, like a twist out, a braid out, a coil out, something where your hair is out, then you probably want to wear a bonnet at night just to keep the hair in place. You don't have to wear a bonnet. You can technically sleep on a satin pillowcase or put on a satin scarf, but what a bonnet will do, it will keep your hair in place as you sleep. That's if you don't retwist it at night. Some people choose to retwist their hair at night. It really depends on the texture. So general rule of thumb, the finer your hair, the more work you have to do to maintain a style. So those women with coarser or even medium textured hair may not have to retwist every night or regularly. It really depends on your hair, the texture, and how you're wearing your hair. But it's important that you either put something on your head at night, like a bonnet or a satin cap, when you go to bed, or you can sleep on a satin pillowcase, because when you sleep on cotton, cotton absorbs moisture. And cotton also will cause your hair to snag, and you don't want your hair to snag on the pillowcase. You want to maintain your hair as healthy as possible. Or if you don't want to wear a bonnet, I know some of you all might have husbands or boos that do not want to see you looking like this when you go to bed. Thank God my husband could care less how I look when I go to bed. As long as I get in bed, he doesn't care what I look like. But for some of you who are a little more particular about how you look at night, you can also try, this is a slap cap. So inside of the slap cap is a satin lining on the inside of it. You can use this before you go to bed, or some people even wear this out to protect their hair as opposed to wearing a typical cap. So this is great to wear at night, or you can wear it just in general as a style. Okay, just wanted to check in, and y'all know I'm so silly. Just to let you know how you can maintain and prep your hair for bed. Until we talk again, stay fabulous.